Hey, good day everybody. You guys in the market for a new gun belt or just a new nice rigid black belt? Well, you're in luck. This KMIOC company sent this to me for an unboxing and review, so let's check this baby out. Well, this is nice. I'll give you a notice in the box here. It says if the buckle or screw or stitching was broken at any time, email us through the buyer system and they will replace the new one for a lifetime. That's nice. Well, I just tried this thing on and I'll show you here in a second, but I took it back off to kind of show you some of its finer features. I love this style of belt. It's got the roller right there. It's so easy, nice and comfortable to put on. Got the latch there. But look at that stitching. It's got some nice, good stitching, and it's very thick, and it's also rigid too. So when you put it on, it feels like a utility belt almost. It's like a step down utility belt, you know, just an all-around rigid belt, great for clasping things through. For me, this is going to be great for putting my gun holster on it, and this is exactly what I was looking for, because the normal belts you get at the store, they're pretty flimsy because they're not made for shooting, but this thing's going to work out great. All right, here's a look without the holster. I love this belt. I can tell you right now, it's probably the most comfortable belt I've ever had. Heavy duty, good quality as well. There's no doubt on this thing. That's great. Put the holster on that. I don't know about you guys, but your regular belts you get at the store, they have a lot of flimsiness this way, flimsiness this way. This one's nice and rigid. I mean, it feels secure. That is nice. Like I said, it used to a military style utility belt, you know, a tactical belt. This is like right in the middle. This is great for concealed, open carry, hunting, you name it. Target shooting, great belt.